This the way I feel. What's going on today? By the way, I know what's going wrong. I feel this way. People are doing wrong everywhere around this world, day by and day by night. I just know what I see. I hear what's going on, seeing what's going on by and by of this world for sure. Yeah. Yahuwah is watching everything around this world by and by. I know this way I feel about everything I see. I feel so bad about situations in people's life. I ask the Father, help they find you, for they can be set free from everything is wrong going on around this world. I just want to say, people are going wrong. I cannot understand disobedient children talking back to their mother, fighting their father and mother. I don't know, understand. I know it's wrong because they don't have Yahweh in their life. Yeah. I love what's going on to me. I feel so good about me. I've turned my life over to the Most High. Yahuwah. People gon' keep doing wrong because they under the influence of wrong doing things. They keeping they doing wrong. Satan have a hold on them. Satan have a hold on their life. That's why they cannot find a way to find Yahuwah in